Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2024. I'm manifesting a good year for each and every one of you. Thank you again for joining Team Lee J for the past year. And for the first few weeks, I'll be posting some videos that I didn't get to post. So stay tuned for exciting content for 2024. Bye. Hi guys. So today is my day off and I decided that I'm bringing myself on a little solo date. And I'm going to the movies. I'm going to watch The Little Mermaid. I've been wanting to watch it for a while, so I'm taking myself out. Movie starts in like 20 minutes. I'm going to walk to the theater, which is like maybe about a 10-minute walk. Get some food, pay for my ticket. So I'll see you. I bought so much food, a vegan hot dog, and nacho and cheese, and it was awful. Hey guys, I'll be making bread pudding. This is actual bread, African bread, but it's nice. I use about 6 slices of bread. I cut them in squares, so that when I do make the mixture to add to it, it can soak in properly. If you have made bread pudding before, you know you have to make like a liquid mixture to add to the bread. So I went and melt my butter. And then I poured some milk to that butter. I let it simmer a bit on the stove. Then in a separate container, I added some sugar. Added eggs. I think this was 1 or 2 eggs, most likely 1 because I hate eggs, and mixed that together. Then I added my spices, my cinnamon, my vanilla, my nutmeg, everything. In Jamaica we don't measure, so this was just, like what your granny would have said, you just kind of estimate. And that's what I did, but I'll put a recipe that I kind of use down below. I then added that mixture with sugar and spices and egg to the bread. Then some raisins. And then I added the butter and milk mixture just to seep everything in, to get that wet, moist feel, and to leave that to soak for a bit. Make sure you mix that mixture in. Mix. And then you're gonna add this to your baking tin, which is lined with some, I don't know, what do you call this, grease paper? But this was my finished product. It was yummy. It tasted so good, and you should try this recipe. and tell me how it go. Okay?